Let's pull out the S2K on some late night, you feel me? Ugh. Nice. It's been a minute since you guys see me in this car driving to work. Oh yeah, so cold in here. So it's been a minute since I've started out a vlog going to work, and this one is for the OG subscribers because I haven't done it in a while, and I feel like some of you guys miss me driving in the S2000 to work. And you know, like I was saying to you guys before, I kind of cut back on dropping the videos every single day because I felt like it was taken away from the quality and the content of everything that I was trying to do. And now that I've stopped doing it, I've realized that more people are starting to engage on my channel. I'm starting to see more people watching it. So, you know, if you guys feel like this way was better, just comment down below and let me know, because like I said, I want to keep you guys entertained at all times. So you already know how today's vlog is gonna go, and today we got paid. Today is payday. That's super lit. Today's Friday, is payday, so I was like, yo, let me just take up the camera today and vlog my way to work. So you already know your boy's on his way to work, and it's gonna be super lit. I get out of work at 6 o'clock today. I don't know what I'm gonna get myself into, but tomorrow I'm supposed to be meeting up with man Paul. That was the plan. Last weekend I was supposed to, but he got backed up. So this weekend is supposed to be a go. So hopefully this weekend we'll have a vlog, a good vlog, and something, you know, that's gonna help the S2K because he's supposed to street tune it and whatnot. So yeah, let's get on our way to work. Alright, your boy just made it to work. Wait, I turned the car all the way off. We need to air out. I haven't aired this car out in so long. Straighten up the wheel. Oh yeah. Yo, I've really been neglecting the hell out of this car. This weekend, being that it's gonna be 50 degrees, I'm gonna wash it. I promise y'all that. I'm gonna wash it because I can't take it anymore. But right now I'm getting quoted for how much it would be to get this fiberglass into the trunk and all that cool stuff, so be on the lookout for that. Like I said, I'm gonna do the double trunk setup. But back to the banner part, like the new highly official logo is really dope. I love it. I took off the YouTube piece right here. I'm gonna put another one there. It was just crooked. It was really bothering me, so I took it off. But you see how I was dancing? Yeah. So you guys, if you want one, holla at your boy, man. So now that the hardtop is on, you know, you guys see it. Ooh, so icy. You know what I mean? Now that the hardtop's on, you guys see my little piece over there, the Dream Chasers piece. The car isn't making, I mean, it's not having any wind noise. So I've been getting a lot of people asking me, how did you stop the wind noise? One of my first S2K videos was showing you guys how to get rid of wind noise. So basically I took, hold on, let me make sure this thing is even focused. Alright, so back to what I was saying. So basically, you guys always ask me, what about the wind noise? What about the wind noise? So, in one of the first videos I've done doing S2K videos, S2K vlogs, whatever, I showed you guys how to do it because I didn't know how to do it. And I came up with my own method. A lot of people were saying you could put a shimmy or a shim, whatever the hell that shit's called, in here, under this plastic here, which I'm going to get into, and it'll help it. So basically what I did was you have to take off this. You have to take off the, you know, the panels here with these screws and all that cool stuff. Take this whole entire panel down. And then you're going to see that striker, which is this hook right here. This hook, whatever this, not this hook, but this little piece that the hook clamps into. You're going to take that off. And what I did was I added washers behind the screws. So that way this piece here comes down further. So when you clamp this, it pulls the hardtop down. So when I first got my car, it was making a lot of wind noise with the soft top. So I did it from there. And then once I did that, it sunk the soft top in more and made it not make any noise anymore. So it's quiet. So that's what I did. I just took out the strikers here. Was this little piece right here, and then, you know, unclamp that, blah blah blah, and I added washers behind it until like I felt like it was good. And then when I clamp it, it literally pulls it all the way down, so that way it rests directly on the seal. It definitely feels weird though, like vlogging like this. I haven't vlogged like this in a while, just sitting in the car talking to you all. You know, it just feels like the OG stuff, you know. And now that like I was telling you guys from before, like all the stuff I wanted to do, it feels crazy to me because this is where I started. This is where I started talking to you guys like, oh, I want to buy this for my car. I want to do this for my car and blah, blah, blah. And now to see it a whole year later, I'm back on this same vlog right now with the hardtop installed. If you guys go back and watch the old videos, you already know. I used to come in here all the time. Oh, I want to buy a hardtop. What I want to buy a hardtop. Now I got the hardtop. Now, you know, and I got the test pipe. I used to always talk about the test pipe. Now I want to do some more performance mods. I definitely want to get on this interior. My interior guy, who's Mark, he's telling me like, yo, leave the seats, leave the seats. So I don't know, man. I want to get a red dash. I really do. Like, someone was telling me that the red dash is gonna have a glare in the window. So I don't know, but there's so much more, and we're gonna do the headliner too. So this weekend I'm supposed to go meet up with him and get it done. Well, not get it done, but maybe see if we could get it done or whatever. So that's the plan. Hopefully it goes through, because last weekend it didn't work. But this weekend I definitely want to get this car washed, because I have not washed it in so long. And yeah. So, you know, it just feels cool to be able to sit in this car and just talk to you guys and, you know, see how far I've came. You know, most people start YouTube and they feel like, you know, they're not going to make it, or it's not going to last long because they give up. But if you don't give up, YouTube could really work out for you. You just have to really stay consistent. You know, like I said, I'm a small YouTuber. I'm still not getting that much views, and like, I don't have that much subscribers, but like, the amount of growth that I've seen from when I started to now, I'm very impressed with myself. So, you know, like I just say, like, I always get that question, like, yo, I want to do YouTube videos, and like, you know, any advice, blah, blah, blah. I always tell them, like, yo, you just got to stay consistent, bro. Like, when I first started out, I did videos literally every single day. You know, it kind of, like I said, it just started getting real repetitive, so I stopped. But, you know, now that I see where the S2K is going, you know, it's still, like, it makes me happier, like, to see where my car is, where it started at and where it's at now. You know, like I said, you could go back and watch when I first bought this car from the dealership, and, you know, to see where I got it now, it's like, it's mind-blowing to me. But that's pretty much it, man. I don't know what else I'm gonna get myself into today. It's only 11 o'clock. Well, it's about to be 12. So I'm probably gonna go for some lunch. I don't know if I'm gonna drive my car or not. I might get in my coworker's car. But I definitely want to get this headliner done, and then, you know, get some more performance mods going and all that cool stuff. And my goal is to get this car to shoot flames. Everyone keeps saying that to me. I want the car to shoot flames. I do. And I'm going to get it to be that way. So, be on the lookout. Alright? So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Make sure you turn on that post notification bell, because new giveaways coming soon. I'm just waiting for Adams Polishes to send me the gift card, and then boom, everything's going to go into play. So make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, and yeah. Where is it? Nah, we don't want that. For the bros? It's like, nah. I know I'm not the only sunflower seed lover here. Alright. That's your car? Yeah. Taylor. Yeah, man, your boy's out of work. Still a little light out. I left 30 minutes early today. Turn this off.